Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transform text into magical storybook in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app. This is Canva desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. If you don't have Canva, please free to install from official website and download from official website and install into your system. And let's start by click apps and click on AI powered. So here you can scroll down and try to find the magical Storybooks children's book. So created by children's book team, bringing imagination to life one story at a time. So this app can convert text description into captivating children's storybook, fostering creativity and imagination in young minds. So let's start by click use in new design, click whiteboard. Here you can describe your children's book style. You can try an example, a big bad wolf with mischievous grin, friendly old lady in gingerbread house, magical forest with a lion and unicorn. Let's try the example, a magical forest with a dragon. And here when enabled, output will be more similar to each other, so you can turn this on. But let's try to turn this off first, then generate your image. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go, this is the result. This is describe of my book style. So a dragon in magical forest. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support the button below. See you in the next video.